Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Gautam Kumar. Today I have to I have to I have installed mysql in my this PC. You can see here in my PC there is no mysql command. So how I can download and install mysql? You can check this video at end. Then first I have write MySQL download and enter, and then I have clicked first link https www.mysql.com and click enter here, and after that I can click uh, download button, and then I can click here MySQL community GPL download. Click here, and then I have clicked MySQL installer for Windows. I have clicked here, and and then I have checked which version I download. You, I have simply selected this 331 1.3 MB, and I have clicked download here, and then I didn't need to log in and sign up. I directly click here, no thank, just start my download, and after that you can see here MySQL downloading process will be start, and it take a few seconds. Let's wait for that. Now now you can see here uh, it take 10 seconds to to download this file. After that, wait few seconds, and its its file is downloaded. Then I have double click here, open this file, uh, and you can see, yes, you can see here, uh, this is my file, and I have opened this. Okay, wait, and you can click yes and cancel, and you can click yes, and you can click the double click here, yes, okay, and then you can select here uh, full, okay, and then you can click here next, then you can click here execute, and it takes some time, and after uh, all are completed, wait for a few seconds for that. uh, Currently my SQL workbench installation is 87% is completed, and it takes some more time to complete this. Wait for that, wait some minute. you can you can see here all all product is completed. Then you simply click next, then you click product configuration and next. After that you can see here the development and all things, and I have click here next, then I click next, and as well here I have set password. I have set password, okay, and you can see I have set password here, and after I can click here next. I can again click next, and again click next. Then 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 I have clicked here execute, and it takes some time to to execute all configuration steps, and wait for some minute. And after that, uh, if if all things are completed, if all things are completed, it take some time. Currently, it's like initializing database may take a long time. So do patient, and wait for some minute. And you can see here all things are completed, and you can simply click finish, and then you can again click next for whatever tool bench, and then you can click here next. Okay, again you can click here next product configuration, and again you can click your enter your password here, and after that you can check your password, and and if your password are same, then connection succeed uh, here, and click here next. After execute this process and click execute, and it takes some time. Wait for some minute, and again you can click finish here. Oh, sorry. And you can click here next. Okay, and then you can click here finish. Okay, installation is completed. After that, you can write this workbench is open, and after you have write your password here, what you have write according to your password you can enter, and then you can click here. Okay, uh, this workbench is completed. And how to create a schema and how to write a query, you can simply click here, suppose, and you can write here select start from table. Okay, table name. These things are completed. Mm, Thanks for watching this video, guys. Thank you, everyone. Please subscribe this channel.